Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a computer performance benchmark test in Windows 10. So benchmark tests, as most of us are probably familiar, just test anything to see what it's capable of. So testing on a Windows computer is just testing the performance of the system. And a test like this will actually check quite a few different things, such as the system performance report, which will also provide summary, diagnostic results, report statistics, and information about disk, network, and CPU usage. So it's a pretty versatile tool here, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in performance monitor. Best match to go back with performance monitor listed right above app. Go ahead and left click on that. Go ahead and select data collector sets on the left side here, and then select system. You want to right click on system performance and select start. And now you want to left click on the reports folder on the left side, double click on system on the right, and then double click on system performance. Now this report should be listed as today here, so you want to go ahead and double click on it. Give it a moment here. And once that's done, you should have a full report here. So you see a rundown summary up at the top, as well as diagnostic results, so you can expand here for things that were found. See CPU, process services, as well as service statistics. You got disk usage down here. So you got a whole bunch of information here. You can see that was determined over the 60-second test that was performed. And it's fairly well detailed. You could print this out, as well as creating a data folder for this too. You could view it as a report. Pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.